Just breathe. Look outside. Steam rising up from a porcelain cup. The city is sleeping, it's not looking up. Rain on the window, a soft melody. The world can just wait, it's just you and me. Your breath is so slow, your hand is in mine. We're tracing the shadows and skipping the time. The ticking clock slows down to a crawl. The gray winter light is a coat on the wall. Nothing to fix, nothing to change. Everything beautiful, everything strange. Oh, morning rain, wash the shadows away. We're taking our time with the dawn of the day, cozy and warm, while the storm plays along. This is our morning song. Yeah, let the world slide, we're staying inside. The television is flickering low, a black and white movie from lifetimes ago. The streets are like rivers of amber and glass. We watch all the heavy clouds quietly pass. No shoes on our feet, no keys in the door, just blankets and pillows spread out on the floor. Let it pour, we don't need no more than the sound of the mist on the balcony door. We are safe, we are still while the valley grows cold. We've got a narrative waiting to unfold. Oh, morning rain, wash the shadows away. We're taking our time with the dawn of the day, cozy and warm, while the storm plays along. This is our morning song. Yeah, let the world slide, we're staying inside. Staying inside. Monsoon Lounge. Monsoon Lounge.